latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello and welcome to News 9 Digital with me, Adarsh Vepachedu. Now, in what comes as a ray of hope and as a positive sign amid the coronavirus pandemic, India's first indigenously made COVID-19 vaccine, Covaxin, is all set to undergo, in fact, has already begun undergoing human clinical trials across various sites in the country. In this News 9 Explainer, I will be telling you all the major updates, the important information about this COVID-19 vaccine trials that are underway at this point in time across the country. So let us start with the basic information first. For this particular human trial across the country, there are healthy volunteers who've been selected and their age group is supposed to be between 18 and 55 years. Now, the kind of clinical trial that will be conducted is called the randomized double-blind placebo-controlled clinical trial. Now, human trials at this point in time have already started in AIIMS Patna with about 10 volunteers over there. And apart from AIIMS Patna, there are a few more sites where the vaccine trials have already begun, including AIIMS in Rohtak in Haryana and AIIMS Delhi as well. In fact, Haryana's Health Minister Anil Vij himself came out in the open and confirmed that the clinical trials have begun in AIIMS Rohtak. Now, what Bharat Biotech has said is that human clinical trials have been initiated across the country with about 375 healthy volunteers for Covaxin. Now, again, when it comes to Covaxin, what is this vaccine that we're talking about? It is essentially derived from a strain of novel coronavirus which was isolated at the National Institute of Virology in Pune, and it was eventually transferred to Hyderabad, where the Bharat Biotech folks developed an inactivated type vaccine in the city. Now, what's an inactivated vaccine type? Once you inject that vaccine into a certain subject or a volunteer, there is no potential whatsoever for it to replicate or even infect that individual, as it is an inactivated virus in the sense that it is a dead virus. So eventually, once it is injected into a person, it invokes an immune response from your body, which essentially fights away the coronavirus. Now, clinical trials of drug firm Zydus Cadila is also underway. We're talking about the vaccine called Zycov-D, and the company has stated that about 1,000 subjects have enrolled or will be enrolling in just a bit. So 1,000 subjects and Zydus Cadila Zycov-D, the clinical trials are also underway on that front. So ultimately, we're talking about how the DCGI has gone ahead and has given permission for two vaccines to begin phase 1 and phase 2 trials. One, of course, is Zydus Cadila's Zycov-D, and the other being Bharat Biotech's Covaxin. So yes, it is indeed a positive sign that human clinical trials have begun right here in the country and elsewhere in the world as well. You have a vaccine race that is clearly on. Well, one only hopes that there is a vaccine at hand at the earliest so that you and I can be safe from coronavirus. If you've liked the information that I've shared with you, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to News 9 on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Many thanks for joining us.